Is there a secret weapon that savvy real estate investors are quietly using to supercharge their deal flow and streamline their businesses? A tool that promises to simplify the often complex world of finding, funding, and managing investment properties? If you've been navigating the real estate landscape, sifting through endless listings, wrestling with financing options, and dreaming of a more efficient way to operate, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a platform that's been generating a lot of buzz in the investor community, Relay. Is it just another piece of software cluttering the digital space, or could it be the game changer you've been searching for? We're going to explore exactly what Relay is, how it works, what it offers real estate investors, and ultimately, help you decide if it deserves a spot in your investment toolkit. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're juggling multiple property deals. You're tracking down potential leads, analyzing investment opportunities, trying to secure financing, and managing communication with various stakeholders, brokers, lenders, property managers. It can feel like trying to conduct an orchestra with only one pair of hands, right? The paperwork piles up, deadlines loom, and the risk of things slipping through the cracks becomes very real. This is the pain point that platforms like Relay aim to address. They're designed to be a central hub, a digital command center for your real estate investing activities. But the crucial question remains, does Relay actually deliver on this promise for real estate investors specifically? So, what exactly is Relay? At its core, Relay is a financial technology platform built specifically for small businesses. It offers business checking accounts with no monthly fees, streamlined payment processing, and tools designed to help businesses manage their finances more efficiently. You might be thinking, okay, that sounds great for any small business, but what's the connection to real estate investing? Here's where it gets interesting. Real estate investing, at its heart, is a business. Whether you're a seasoned pro with a large portfolio or just starting with your first rental property, you're operating a business that involves income, expenses, and the need for organized financial management. Relay positions itself as a solution that can cater to the unique financial workflows of real estate investors. Let's break down some of the key features and explore how they might be relevant to your investment activities. Dedicated business checking accounts. As a real estate investor, keeping your business finances separate from your personal accounts is crucial for clarity, tax purposes, and liability protection. Relay offers FDIC-insured business checking accounts that allow you to manage your investment income and expenses in a dedicated space. This means you can easily track rent payments, property management fees, repair costs, and other business-related transactions without them getting commingled with your personal spending. Multiple accounts and sub-accounts. This is a particularly powerful feature for real estate investors managing multiple properties. Relay allows you to open multiple checking accounts and even create sub-accounts within those main accounts. Imagine having a separate account for each rental property or for different stages of your investment process, e.g., acquisition, renovation, management. This level of segregation can provide unparalleled clarity into the financial performance of each individual asset or project. You can easily see the income and expenses associated with a specific property without having to wade through a massive transaction history. Streamlined payment processing. Real estate investing involves a lot of payments, both incoming and outgoing. You're collecting rent from tenants, paying contractors, managing property management fees, and potentially dealing with mortgage payments. Relay offers features to simplify these processes. You can send and receive ACH transfers, wire transfers, and even issue physical and virtual debit cards for your business expenses. This can save you time and reduce the friction associated with traditional banking methods. Collaboration and team access. If you work with a team, whether it's a property manager, a business partner, or an administrative assistant, Relay allows you to grant them controlled access to your accounts. You can customize permissions, allowing team members to perform specific tasks like viewing transactions or making payments without giving them full control. This can significantly improve efficiency and collaboration within your real estate investment business. Integration with accounting software. Keeping accurate financial records is paramount for any business, and real estate investing is no exception. Relay integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, allowing for seamless data transfer of your financial transactions. This can save you hours of manual data entry and ensure that your financial records are always up to date, making tax preparation and financial analysis much smoother. Fee structure. One of the appealing aspects of Relay is its transparent fee structure. They generally don't charge monthly account fees, which can be a significant advantage compared to traditional banks that often have various charges associated with business accounts. Understanding the specific fee schedule for transactions and other services is important, but the absence of monthly maintenance fees can be a significant cost saving for real estate investors, especially those just starting out or managing multiple properties. Now, let's address the core question: is Relay specifically for real estate investors? While it's not exclusively designed for the real estate industry in the same way that property management software is, its features and functionalities align remarkably well with the needs of real estate investors. The ability to manage multiple properties through separate accounts, streamline rent collection and expense payments, collaborate with team members, and integrate with accounting software offers tangible benefits for those in the real estate investment space. However, it's crucial to acknowledge some potential limitations. Relay is primarily a financial platform, not a comprehensive real estate management solution. It doesn't offer features like tenant screening, lease agreement generation, or property maintenance tracking that dedicated property management software provides. Therefore, real estate investors might need to use Relay in conjunction with other specialized tools to manage all aspects of their business. Furthermore, while Relay offers robust online and mobile banking features, it doesn't have physical branch locations. For investors who prefer in-person banking services, this could be a drawback. However, in today's increasingly digital world, many investors are comfortable managing their finances online. So, how do you determine if Relay is the right fit for your real estate investment business? Here are some factors to consider. The scale of your operations. If you're managing multiple properties or have plans to scale your portfolio, the ability to create multiple accounts and sub-accounts in Relay can be incredibly beneficial for organization and financial tracking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.